In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create image prompt in Microsoft Designer AI. We'll walk through the exact flow to turn a simple idea into a polished visual using Designer's built-in generator, keeping everything quick, clear, and repeatable. First, open your browser and go to designer.microsoft.com. Starting from the homepage keeps all the creative tools in one place, and bookmarking the page makes it easy to come back whenever inspiration strikes. On the start screen, you'll see options to edit with AI or to design from scratch. Designing from scratch gives you a blank canvas and full manual control. Edit with AI, on the other hand, speeds things up by turning your words into layouts and imagery. For this tutorial, we'll use the AI route. Click Create with AI. This opens the creation workspace dedicated to generating designs from text. If you see different categories, choose the one that converts a text prompt into a design, then confirm your choice to continue. Now type your description. Think of this as the recipe for your image. Be specific about the subject, style, colors, mood, and key details. For example, instead of a poster, try a vibrant poster featuring a minimalist mountain landscape, bold teal and orange palette, soft lighting, clean negative space. If you want certain elements emphasized or avoided, include that in plain language. Next, choose images. Here you can select suggested visuals or references that match your concept. Pick items that reinforce the mood or composition you want. Strong references help the AI understand your direction. You can always change these later if the previews don't match your vision. Choose the size that fits your use case. Square works well for social feeds, portrait is great for posters and stories, and landscape suits banners or headers. Setting the right aspect ratio up front saves time on cropping later. When everything looks good, click Create. Designer will generate options based on your description, chosen images, and size. Give the results a moment to render, then scan for clarity, color balance, and overall fit. If something feels off, refine your wording, add a missing detail, simplify conflicting instructions, or tweak the palette, and click Create again for fresh variations. That's the full process. By starting at the home page, choosing the AI flow, crafting a clear description, selecting helpful images, setting the right size, and creating, you'll produce consistent, high-quality visuals with Microsoft Designer AI.